All right, this is going to be a fun video. This is for Steven. Steven wrote to me and told me he's a retired teacher. He wants to make a YouTube channel, but he wasn't sure how to start it. So I'm going to get to play like I'm Steven. I am the retired teacher, 30 years in the school district, and I'm tired. But it's time to do his role, okay? So first things first, Steven's a retired school teacher. He's going to shoot his first video. I'm Steven. So what am I going to do? First idea I'm going to have is I'll make a video about classroom stories and lessons learned. So I'm going to dig deep and think about the funny stories, inspiring stories, or moments from years of teaching, right? I remember when I was a student, there was my football coach was awesome. You know, stories like that. He could talk about his colleague who was a football coach and how he helped out people. He can make funny stories from his own experience with students, with their parents, with other teachers. I mean, people love stuff like that, right? Here's a title for you, Steven. Here's a title. The Student I Will Never Forget. It can be as somebody who was a funny kid, a smart kid, even a sad kid, whatever it is. That's a story people will want to hear for sure, right? Also, number two, another good topic for you, Steve, is this. Helping parents teach their children, right? Because many parents struggle with homework and learning at home because gotta tell you guys, there's a whole generation where, we're gapped by our kids, right? They're learning stuff at an accelerated rate. Like stuff I learned in 6th grade, they're probably learning in 3rd grade now, right? There's a struggle about that. So what you can do as a retired teacher with your YouTube channel is this. You can do videos like helping kids with reading, teaching multiplication, encouraging good study habits, making learning fun. Let's go back to the encouraging good study habits. Steven could talk about putting kids on like a timeline, right? Put them on, okay, from 4 to 6 p.m. homework, right? 6 to 7 game time, right? 7 to 8 shower time, whatever they want to do, right? And he can show the parents through his channel how parents can help out with their raising their kids and helping them to teach their children, right? And so this is already a good idea. You guys who are out there watching and you want ideas for your YouTube channel, you want to join a community as well that's going to care about you, that's going to talk about you, where I meet you every Friday for a coffee catch up, right? We drink some coffee together, we talk on Zoom. If you want to be part of a community also, it's growing very fast. It's also an international community, not just in America, it's international. If that's what you want also, click the link below. Get into our community and join us. It's going to be fun. Okay, I'm back to Steve again, right? Steve also can do this. He's a retired teacher, right? He can give advice for new teachers. Can you imagine that, right? New teachers are always looking for guidance, always, right? Such as your first day in the classroom, right? Classroom management, building confidence, avoiding burnout. Now, I'm sure Steve has some hints there for sure, don't you, Steve? So Steve can talk about that too, right? Another good idea for you, Steve. Book recommendations. Tell me that's not a good idea. That's a solid idea, right? Teachers read thousands of books, right? Example, best books for 3rd graders, right? Books every teenager should read. Children's books that teach life lessons. Oh, Steve, I can go on and on and on, but you see what I'm doing here for you, buddy? These are good things for you to use for your channel, okay? Another one, educational activities, right? Simple projects that parents and grandparents can do at home with the students, right? Science experiments, that's always cool, right? Reading games, learning through play. Summer learning ideas, that's always a good one because these kids have 2.5 months off, right? You gotta keep them busy. Steve, you can help out with this, okay? Another one, life lessons beyond the classroom, right? Topics like why kindness matters, right? Teaching respect, building confidence in children. Or Steve, here's a big one. Lessons I learned after 30 years of teaching. That's a huge one, right? Now let me ask you something here. Let me figure something out here. Did you notice something here? I just gave you, Steve, 6 different directions for one career, just one career. Every one of those ideas can turn 50 to 100 to even 200 videos. You don't need one brilliant idea. You need one topic you know well. And if I can come up with all those ideas in just 5 minutes, imagine how many are already hiding inside your head from your own life experience. And again, Steve and everybody else out there, join my community down below. We're going to share ideas, how to support each other in our YouTube channels, because we do have something to offer past retirement or past age 50. And I'll prove it to you in my community. Every Friday, Coffee with Mitch. We're going to talk about things, life, whatever. 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time at 4 p.m. every Friday. We're going to chit chat and have some fun, okay? Steve, there you go, man. Boom. Now get after it. I better see a channel for you within the next week or so, okay? You guys take care.